Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and this is Couple Tech. In this video we're taking a look at this awesome backdrop that I got. Oh my god, it's so soft. No joke, it's like super soft. Super soft. I wouldn't mind having a cover out of this. Ooh, static. Yes, so we're taking a look at this backdrop from the Kate Backdrop Company. This is their best seller. Now I know why. This is an amazing color. You might not think about it at first glance, but once you take those photos, wow, it's awesome. Like super cool. This is made out of microfiber. Pretty easy to set up. You know, you set up your tube for your holder and you slide it. It's kind of like a curtain. Yeah, like a curtain. It has a little hole so you can slide the rod in the middle. So I could see actually using this with a curtain rod. So DIY if you don't want to buy the holder, but I'll totally buy the holder because I just moved this thing around my apartment, so I could do whatever I want. This is gonna be a BTS video, me using this awesome backdrop. Hope you guys enjoy. So guys, this is the subject right here. What do you guys think? Pretty scary, right? So this is my girlfriend, Noemi. This is my editor-in-chief right here that was the editing. So Halloween season's here. We're gonna do a photo shoot for her Instagram, her YouTube channel and everything. This is the best way to show off this cool backdrop. I'll show you guys some pictures on the video. I'll post them in there. I'll be using my Sony a6000 for the photos with a Sigma 30mm. So great combination right here, and my cool lights. So I'm using 3 lights on this video plus that cool backdrop. All right, so let's get started. All right. So another tip I learned is always shoot, not always, but try to shoot through something because it gives a cool effect, especially if you have that little blurry effect, bokeh effect. It looks amazing if you shoot through something like a plant, it could be a string, it could be glass, something different. It makes it look really cool. I'm gonna give you guys an example. So this is her little belt thing that she's wearing. See? Cool. Gives like different feeling, right? Do stuff like that, man. Play around with. Photography is fun. This is what I got. So, what do you guys think? So let's clear this up and let's talk about the backdrop, okay? Alright guys, so as you can see, this backdrop right here behind me was awesome. Love the colors, love the texture. It's microfiber. So you could take it, you could wash it. We'll suggest steam it if you're trying to get rid of those wrinkles. Steam it through the back. But other than that, is amazing. Don't know if this is like the best, but I mean, I've seen some backdrops in YouTube and they don't look as cool as this. Or DIY, get your own fabric and build your own thing. But damn, this thing is cool. There's a lot of information on their website, which I'll link in the bottom in the description. And also I'll link this one right here in particular and the size, so you guys could get one if you guys want this particular size. Wow, this has been fun. Oh yeah, don't forget to check out the pictures, and I'll tag my girlfriend's Instagram right here so you guys can check out the pictures. Hopefully she posted, and also I'll tag the video tutorial if you I don't know, want to be a witch or Llorona or whatever. Thanks again guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.